I'm not throwing your brick for you again. No. Right. So I thought I'd do a video on my motorbikes because I haven't done one for ages, and as you can see I've got a lockup with all my shit in, and this is my ZX12R in here. I have had it running, but the battery is absolutely flat as a fart. Well, I'll show you. And I've just put the battery on that Thunderace to get that started, and I can't be bothered to take it off again. So, right, so the battery's flat, which is annoying. Right, so I need to take the battery off my 1200, take that home and get that charged up. But it is warm, the exhaust is still red hot, which is nice because it's bloody freezing today, to be honest with you. So that's my 1200, so I've had it running. I need to go out for a spin on it because it is, believe it or not, taxed and tested and MOT'd and whatever. So that's that. So what I'll do now is I'll just show you my bike, my 1200. So what I'll do now is I'll get this Thunderace started. I've had this running, but the exhaust has got a big hole in it. So as you can see, the exhaust has got a big hole in it. What else I'm going to do is I'm going to put an XJR 1300 rear caliper and hanger on it. All the nuts and bolts are all rusty, so what I've done is I've blasted them with WD-40, same with swinging arm. Look, you can see where I've just wiped that. For some reason the engine's a bit scuffed there, I don't know why, but the other side don't look too bad. Just let me throw this for him because he's a bloody pain. Keeps dropping bricks at my feet. So anyway, stuff like this, look. It's got a horrible tinted screen on it, which I don't like. All this is loose. There's a side panel inside there, and it's the belly pan had a big crack down it. So I don't know if you can see that big crack there. So I've glued that. Oops. Just landed on Dave's head then. So you can see the big crack down there. So I've glued that. So, but before I put that on, I'm gonna change the oil and stuff like that. That needs gluing, obviously. In fact, I've only just seen that, so that needs gluing. So I might even take that off today and glue that before I go home. And this is the glue I use. It's well, anyway, that's the glue I use for gluing the plastic. So you can see that there. So what I'll do is I'll take this off, I'll get it home, and I'll glue it, and I'll show you when I've glued it. So, oh dear, just hang on a minute. Let me just throw this for him again. So it's done 40,000 miles, and actually, look. So obviously it's been dropped, hasn't it, or whatever, and it's rough. Now it didn't start too bad. The lock's a bit knackered. I have had it started earlier, so what I'll do is I'll just start it again, just so you can hear it. So you see what I mean about the exhaust? It's noisy as well. Right, I'm just going to take the choke off and see if it still runs. Oh yeah, right, I'll put choke on again, a little bit. must admit, if it had a different exhaust on, I'd probably think it's not a bad runner actually. So what I need to do is put another exhaust on it for starters, and then get it running up to temperature or something. Take it for a spin round the yard somewhere, and then just see how it goes. Oh look, there's somebody else over there with a bike. Looks like a tour or something. I won't put the video on because I don't want to see his registration number. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is off camera, I'm going to give it a rev up, and then I'm going to take the battery off that and put it back on my 1200 and get that back up to temperature, and then we'll go from there. But I'm gonna go over and have a chat with that bloke, see what kind of bike it is. So that's my Thunderace. So what do you reckon I should do with it, guys? I'm going to change the screen to a clear screen. Obviously new indicators, fix them cracked panels, replace that exhaust system. It's a shame that wasn't aluminium because I could have welded that, but it's carbon fibre, but I'm still going to junk it anyway. I'm going to put an XJR 1300 rear caliper and hanger on it, and then we'll go from there. I think I'll take it for an MOT, see what it fails on, and in fact what I'll do is, I haven't tried the lights yet. So let me put the lights on. Oh well, they work. I don't know about the back one. Yep, the back one's working. I don't know if the horn works. Ah, no horn. Right, I'll give you an update later on, guys.